Good morning, everyone. We are Group 2 from the Group Computing Project, and today we will be presenting our project titled Internship Management System. Our team members are myself, Pavithira Paramakurubaran, followed by Neoh Jia Yi, Varshini Seger, Thulasi Vijayaraj, and also Dhevesshwaar Punnia.
Hi, my name is Dhevesshwaar and I will start with the introduction. Internships are an important part of student development, but many institutions still use manual methods such as emails, spreadsheets, and paper forms to manage the entire process. These methods are slow, error prone, and make communication difficult between students, employers, and admins. Our proposed internship management system is a centralized web platform that automates the whole process. It includes AI tools to help students build strong resumes, helps employers evaluate candidates more easily, and provides administrators with better monitoring tools.
My name is Varshini. So now let's look at the problem statement. Currently, many institutions manage internship using manual methods such as emails, spreadsheets, and paper documents. These outdated processes often lead to delays, errors, and poor communication among students, employees, and administrators. Students also face challenges in creating strong and professional resumes because they lack proper guidance and tools. Employees, on the other hand, receive many unstructured applications, making it difficult and time-consuming to evaluate and shortlist suitable candidates. Lastly, administrators struggle to monitor internship activities effectively due to fragmented system and limited access to data or analytics. Because of these issues, there is a clear need for a centralized automated system that improve communication, reduce errors, and support all three stakeholders, which are students, employees, and administrators. Our project has four main objectives. First, to improve internship management by replacing manual processes with an automated system. This reduces delays and administrative workload. Second, to enhance student readiness by providing an AI-powered resume builder and assessment tools. This helps students evaluate their fluency, knowledge, and experience. Third, to assist employers in hiring by offering AI-based candidate ranking and a structured application platform. And finally, to increase administrative transparency by giving administrators better dashboard and reporting tools to monitor student performance and internship outcomes.
Hi, I'm Jia Yi and I will talk about the scope of the project. In this project, our system includes several features that fall within the scope. We created a web-based platform with secure login for students, employers, and admins. The system includes an AI-powered resume builder and assessment models. Students can apply for internship, employer can post vacancy, and interview scheduling is supported. Besides, admin can monitor everything through a centralized dashboard. Furthermore, all data such as resume, job posting, application, and assessment results are stored in a database.
Hi, my name is Thulasi Vijayaraj. I would like to present out of scope of this project. While developing the system, we also identify several areas that not included within the project scope. To begin with, we are not creating a mobile application version. The entire system will operate only through a web-based interface, as this keeps the development process simpler and more focused. We also decided not to integrate the system with external job platforms such as LinkedIn and JobStreet, since the project is intended to function independently without relying on outside resecurement service. Now, I would like to begin with the student interface. So, this is the main page of our system, which will have admin portal, student portal, and employer portal button. So, to log in into the student portal, student have to click the student portal button. Once they click, it will navigate to student portal login page. The student are required to enter their student email and also password to login. Once they have successfully logged in, it will go to the dashboard page, which displays some quick menus, progress chart, and also reminder. The next is a profile page, which will display the data of the students like name, student ID, IC number, course, and student email. Students are allowed to edit their profile and save their data to the database. Next is the most important thing in our system, which is generate resume. We are having 5 steps. So the step 1 is personal information, with section A is personal information, section B is career objective, section C is education details, section D is skills, and section E is project coursework, and lastly section F internship, work and volunteer experience. Students are required to fill in all data to generate the resume completely. Once students fill in the data, they have to click next step to move forward. So this is the step 2, which is fluency assessment. Students are required to read all the instruction and get to know what they have to do at this assessment. Once they are ready, they can click the start assessment button. This assessment will contain total 5 questions, which they have to record the sentence that stated at the question. So the students can record, stop, and then can move forward or retry the recording. So once they click next, it will show the result after completing all the 5 questions. So the feedback summary will be generated by AI. So once they're done, they can click proceed button to go to the next step. The next step is a knowledge assessment. The students are required to read the instruction and get to know what they have to do at this assessment. Once they're ready, they can click the start assessment button. This assessment will contain total 10 questions to test the students' knowledge from their course. Like if they are taking computer science, their questions will related to computer science. Once they have completed their questions, they can click submit answer. Once they've done all the 10 questions, the result will show. This also, the feedback will be generated by the AI. Once they're done, they can click proceed. Then it will move to step 4, which is experience assessment. Same here, the students are required to read all the instruction and get to know what they have to do here. Once they're ready, they have to click start assessment. So this one, they have to do total 5 questions based on their experience. Once they're done, they can click submit answer. So once they have submit answer, the AI will generate the feedback. So once they're done, they can click proceed. And this is the final part, step 5, which is generate resume. So they can see how it works and instruction before generation. Once they read all this instruction, they can click generate resume button. So this will show the processing data. So it takes some time to generate the resume. So once completed button appear, they can click completed. So they can preview the resume here. They can view resume or download resume as PDF. So the next page is view jobs. So the students can view the job have been posted by the employer and can click apply now. Once they have applied, the jobs will be shown here, which are the job title and job company and when did the student apply, and also the status, whether it's accepted, rejected or pending. If it's rejected, student can click and view what the reason they have been rejected. And this is the interview schedule page, which the jobs applied by the students and approved by the employer will be shown here. So the students can choose whether to accept or reject the interview schedule. If the student reject the offer, then they have to insert the reject reason here. After accepted, the students are required to choose the status whether the offer are accepted after interview or offer rejected. So once if the student status is accepted, then the student status will be updated to employed from unemployed in database. That's all from me. So for the next part, I will pass to my teammate to present. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jia Yi, and I will present the mock-up of our website. So as you can see, this is our main page of our website. So for the employer, they need to click the employer portal, and then they need to key in their email and password to log in. And then you can see it will bring them to the dashboard. So in the dashboard, it will show the company profile, progress, reminders, and the navigation menu. This is the company profile page where the employer can update their company details and it will save in the database. And this is the job posting page. So employer can post new jobs and store the data in the database. So as you can see, they are required to fill in the form before they post the job. So after posting the job, they can view the posted job in the job listing page. So in here, employees can edit them and also choose to close application or open it. And this is the view application page. Employer can view the student application, check their resume, and then they can decide whether to accept or reject. If they accept, they need to schedule the interview. If not, they need to provide the rejection reason. And the last one is the interview schedule page. So in here, employer can view the scheduled interview and update the offer status after the interview. And this is the employment report page. So it shows the job-related status, including accepted, rejected, and pending offer. And it also includes the interview counts. Same go to here for admin, they need to click the admin portal button. And here, they also need to fill in their email and password to log in. So once successful login, the admin is redirected to the dashboard. As you can see, our dashboard displays the overall overview, including the quick menu, progress summary, add to reminder option, and the navigation menu. This is the student management page where it shows the student data, including their name, the student ID, internship status, and resume view option. Admin can add student and perform the full CRUD action. And this is the page for the employer management. So admin can view the employer details such as company name, contact person, and company profile. So admin can also add a new employers and perform the CRUD action too. And this is the post reminder page where the admin can post a reminder which will automatically email to the student. All I need to do is just fill in the form and then click the button. And this is the analytical report. So in this page, it will display the summary report, including total student count, application, assessment completion, offer accepted or rejected, and also the industry count. And We also have a new function for our website, which is add new admin. So for the admin, if he want to add a new admin, they can easily just click it and it will have a new admin for the person.